Merry Christmas. I'm in my Christmas sweater and we are getting ready to make cookies for the collab that CNC Farms has put out. So we're gonna get together, my mother-in-law and I, and we're gonna film snowball cookies. So let's get together and make some snowball cookies, and they're gonna be great. This recipe she's been doing for a long time, and my husband loves it. So we'll get to it and we'll show you how to make it. So first we're going to soften the butter, right? Okay. Hopefully. Well, it looks like it's going to do it. Got your matching spatula. To that we're going to add a cup and a half of confection sugar. Or no, she's adding half a cup. It's only half a cup at this point and later on. Yeah, we roll them in the other cup, yeah. Cream those together. That looks soft enough. That looks good. Butter. The recipe calls for unsalted butter, but we're not going to add salt to the recipe. So we have 2 cups of flour, all-purpose.
Wasn't going to dump all that in there at once. Start slow so we don't throw flour everywhere.
Okay, and then the rest. There we go. We're going to squirt in some vanilla. It calls for a teaspoon of vanilla, but we always do that to taste when we're cooking. And then it calls for a cup of pecans. Oh, half a cup. This is a cup of pecans.
So does it? No, well, we only put half a cup. We better put another half a cup, huh?
Yeah. We're going to put half a cup of almonds in there. Walnuts, sorry. Crush them up with a... good old cup in a bag. The recipe calls for a whole cup of pecans, but we like almonds. Walnuts, sorry. We like walnuts. I stayed up too late last night. My brain is not working.
We like nuts.
We like nuts. We are nuts. This is what happens when you stay up till 2 in the morning and then try to make a video the next day. You can't think straight. There we go. Yummy.
Oops.
And then at this point you would add your salt, but we're not doing that because we have salt in our butter. So.
And if my son doesn't like these, then I will never make anything for him again.
Which son are you talking about? You're talking about Big Daddy?
Big Daddy, yeah.
Big Hedgehog?
Big Hedgehog.
Yeah.
But that's okay because I like them.
Mm-hmm.
That's one thing I hate about this beater. It's trying to get all clean afterwards, you know, get all the stuffs off of it. Okay. Oh, I thought seeing butter that didn't, but maybe
Incorporate.
Not. Yeah.
But it looks
No,
like it did.
I think it's fine. Yeah. I think I'm seeing reflection of the light.
So do we roll them up in balls, but don't we put them in confection sugar before we put them in? No? Okay. And I'll help you roll them in balls.
That. We're gonna put them a little bit closer together and you like get the whole thing in there.
Yeah. This is where that little thing might come in handy.
Oh, a scoop?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably would. But I found with them too many times that the dough sticks in it
Mm-hmm.
and you can't get it out. I've even tried spraying it
Mm-hmm.
and it didn't work. But this isn't as gooey, so it might work fine
Yeah.
if you want to try it.
Sure.
And I'm right in front of your camera.
This is what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Woman standing right under our feet. Like usual.
No, that's not bad.
Yeah.
A little bigger than we want them, I think, but yeah.
And snowballs aren't even, so these aren't even, so we don't care.
Yeah, there you go.
It's not about perfection, it's about yumminess, always. Some people are into the perfection of it.
I've never claimed to make beautiful cookies.
Just yummy ones, right? Taste the dough.
What am I saying about them?
So those go into the oven for about 12 minutes. And of course I left a pan in there. I'll take that out. So it says 16 minutes in the oven, and we'll watch it closely. You know, just because the recipe says a certain amount of time, every oven is different. So make sure that you're watching your cookies.
I think it said 12 minutes, doesn't it?
12 minutes? Oh, 12 minutes. Okay, not 16. So we'll be back in a little bit when these come out, and we'll show you what to do.
We're going to check them.
Okay, so she's setting it for 10, and then we're going to check them if you didn't hear her. And when these come out, you roll them pretty much right away, almost right away, in confection sugar. So we'll get that ready. Norman, our sweeper. You got something on your nose, Norm. Norman. Lick your nose. Lick your nose, buddy. Look. Can you not see that? There he goes.
You gotta get off the floor, is that it? Huh? I'm gonna take them out and just set them up here. They'll keep baking for a little bit. And I definitely don't want them to overcook. I don't want them to undercook though either. I don't know. I guess we'll see, huh?
Yeah.
All ovens are different.
Let's see if it's dead. Well, it's golden on the bottom.
It's really hard to tell. Let it cool a little.
So we have this dish and a lid. We're just going to show you how to do this. Hopefully. We just tasted one. It was absolutely delicious.
And hot.
And hot.
I'm not going to do that like I thought I would. I think they'll fall apart if I'm too rough with them.
So you put the first layer on while it's hot, and then you're supposed to put another layer on later.
Once they cool.
Once they cool, yeah.
I guess that's why the whole cup.
They're pretty fragile cookies, so you want to be careful. Okay, so that's how you do that. We're going to get the rest of them done, and then we'll show you them all. Okay, now we're going to give this a taste test. We rolled them twice, and this is what they look like. So beautiful. Still not too sweet, even though we put a second layer of sugar on, which that's what the recipe calls for. Very good. That's a nice lighter cookie when you're overwhelmed with so many sugar things during Christmas. You can taste that butter in there. Absolutely delicious. Try this recipe. We'll put it down below. And thank you, C&C Farms, for putting this collaboration together. And God bless. Have a great day. Bye. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead.